Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make praline for butterscotch cake. Start by gathering sugar, heavy cream, butter, vanilla, and pecans or almonds. Toast the nuts gently until fragrant, then set them aside. Heat sugar until it reaches amber color, then carefully whisk in cream and butter off heat. Stir in vanilla and toasted nuts, then cool briefly before chopping into crunchy clusters for topping and folding into batter. Maintain medium heat and patience while the sugar melts evenly without stirring constantly. If you notice crystals, brush the pan sides with water to dissolve them and continue. After the sugar turns amber, remove from heat and slowly add warm cream while whisking to prevent splatter. Incorporate butter and vanilla for richness, then fold in toasted nuts. Let the mixture cool slightly before shaping or chopping for garnish or cake layers. When adding praline to butterscotch cake, wait until the batter is nearly finished to keep clusters intact. Sprinkle some between layers and reserve larger pieces for a crunchy top. If the praline softens, briefly chill it to firm up before using. For assembly, place larger clusters on top after baking to highlight texture. Store leftovers properly and refresh them in a warm oven for a few minutes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.